Hello kids, welcome back to our fourth lesson on the book, The Day the Crayons Quit. So Miss Mac have been trying to upload a lesson or two a day so that you can watch them every day and listen to the story and then write a sentence about it. So please keep on trying that every day. Once we're done with this book, then I will select another book and then we'll do another activity for that book. For now, remember to keep all the pages that you have done, save it, and by the end, when we complete the whole book, we'll put it together, staple it, make a cover to make a book for your own. Okay, so the last three lessons is every time we pick a color and then we write a sentence about it. So the first one is red. We pick something that is red and then we write what we see that is red. And then the second lesson we pick purple and we decide to describe how is that thing look like. So today, no, I'm sorry, our third one is we pick the color beige, but since like I said, a lot of you did not have beige, so then we decided to pick light brown instead. So we draw the expression for that crayon and you pretend to be like that crayon and you says that I am sad. Well, you don't have to do sad, you can just do any feeling that you decide to do, but Miss Mac decided to do sad that match with the story that we read. So I am sad because what happened to you when you're sad? So today we will pick another color. So guess what color we'll do today? It's black. All right, so let's look at the picture first before I start reading the sentence. Okay, there's something that's interesting about the picture. You notice that the beach ball is black, right? And the rainbow is black. Normally, rainbow is not black. So what's going on? Why is Duncan doing this? So let's read the story. Dear Duncan, I hate being used to draw the outline of things that are colored in by the other colors, all of which they think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colors of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. So here, Black Crayon is also having the same problem or similar problem like beige. He complained that Duncan never really used him that much, and when Duncan used him, he only draw the outline. But then when he do the color, he pick a different color to color in. So he wants Duncan to try to see if he can color the whole thing black instead. Now in class, there are reasons why we don't use black a lot because first of all, black sometimes can be too dark. We won't be able to see what we draw. But just for the sake of this lesson, we only use black. Okay, Miss Mac would like you to think of something that is not black. Okay, I'm thinking, what are things that are not black? Apple. Usually we see apples are more yellow. We see red apple. We see green apples. We see kind of mix between red and yellow and orange apples, but we never see black apple. Okay, so I think I'm going to do apple. I will only use black crayon today. So here's the stem for the apple. And this is my apple. Okay, remember, my apple may not look perfect and it may look funny, but it's okay, right? So, like I always tell you, it's okay as long as you try. So try your best. And then I'm going to draw the leaf. Okay, so normally the leaf is green, but today, for fun, we are going to color the leaf black because Black Crayon want us to do that. I'm going to color the stem black and then I will color the whole apple black. Okay, now probably Miss Mac, like I always say in class, do not want to see people doing coloring like that, right? That means that you haven't complete the coloring, or we do not draw outside the line. We try our best to color it inside the line. Okay, so I'm going to finish my whole apple with only black. Okay, ta-da! Here's my apple. It's black. So does this look kind of funny? I I think it's really kind of weird because normally we don't see apple that is black. Okay, so our sentence for today is to write this apple is black. All right. This, okay, is a sight word. Probably not many of you remember it. So Miss Mac will write it out for you instead. So this is THIS. Okay, remember the T has a capital because it's the first letter in the sentence. This is a sight word again. How to write is? I-S. This is black. Okay, black. Now, if you notice on your crayon, you will see the word black there. Since we are not in class and you don't get to see the poster with the word black, so you can copy that instead, okay? Or some of you, if you want to be challenge yourself, you can also sound out the word black. Black. There's always a vowel in the middle. And then the last sound, black. Okay, what I'm missing? Yes, a period at the end. Okay, this is black. So Miss Mac drew the picture of an apple. So then I would write, this apple is black. Okay, so it's up to you to decide what you draw. So for example, if you decide to draw a shoe, then you can say this shoe is black. If you decide to draw a lemon, then you can write this lemon is black. Okay, once you're done, make sure that you label your picture. Okay, you can add details to it as much as you can. All right, so then after you're done, make sure you save it and ask your parents to take a picture and show it to Miss Mac and show it to your parents all the pages that you have done, and they must be really proud of you for all the things that you have been trying. Okay, so this is the end of our fourth lesson. I'll see you back next time. Take care. Bye bye.